to my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. Today I'm going to show you how to edit text and typography in Procreate. We need to come up here to the Actions tool, then click on the Add tool, then come down here and click on Add Text. Next we need to access the Style Edit tool. Go over here to the right and click on the double A icon. So if we click on this A icon, we'll be presented with different tools that we can use to change our text. So over here on the left side we have fonts. So we have a lot of different default fonts to choose from. So by clicking on the different fonts, you can see that the font style of my name changes. Please remember that your text has to always be highlighted for these changes to take effect. Next we have style. So we have a few options under style that we can choose from. I want to point out that not all the fonts have all these styles. Some fonts only have one style, while others may have as many as 6 or 7. The third column here is design. So up here we have size. So you can change the size of your text. Next we have kerning, which separates out the letters of your text in a proportional way. Next we have tracking. This also separates out the letters of your text, but it does it in a uniform way. Next we have leading, and you'll see when we adjust leading, you can decide the space between the two words. Next is baseline, and what this does is it pushes the base of your text up, like so. Now you can also choose to change the baseline of just one of your texts. So for example, I have two words, mad and Chen. So if I just wanted to move Chen, all I have to do is highlight the word to adjust the baseline for only the word Chen. The last option here is opacity, which just makes your text transparent. Then on the right here we have attributes, and you have a few options for how to align your text. So you can align your text to the left, middle, or right side. You can also justify your text. Then we also have the underline button here, which underlines your text. And we can just click it again to turn off underline. And we also have the outline button here if you want to outline your text. And we can just click it again to turn off outline. Then we have this button here that turns your text into a vertical position. You can click it again to turn it back to horizontal. And here we have a button that if it's turned on, will turn your text into capital letters. Now let's look at the scissors icon on the top left. This is the cut tool. Clicking on this will cut out our text, and we can simply put it back by clicking on this paste button. We also have the copy button here. So by clicking on this, we'll copy your text. And I'm going to show you something really neat. So if I go over here at the end of my name and click on paste, you'll see that I'm able to paste a copy of my text. And on the top left corner, we have a keyboard looking icon. So clicking on this will take you to your keyboard in case you need to make any changes with your text. And to get back to the full toolbar, we just click on this double A again. You can also change the color of your text by clicking on color palettes in the top right corner of the screen. If you're interested in Procreate lettering and you want to know how I created this Procreate lettering design, I'll leave a link to that Procreate tutorial up above and also in the description below. And lastly, on this toolbar we have cancel and done for when you've finished your changes. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support this channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Mad Chen. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.